bit F1 car experience. So we've got the joystick on the right side and we've got the throttle lever on the left side. So with this one you are simply going up and down, and this one you point the direction you want to fly, and it's that easy to fly.
We want people to be able, like in 10 years from now, to substitute their car and to have maybe a product like this. Yes, so they're flying to work, but that's so far ahead from now. We're talking a decade, and also lots of things need to change, like laws, for instance. There's an entire legal framework that needs to be changed for this. So this is the first very, very, very small step where we are aiming at letting the user having a lot of fun. The practicality things are coming much later, maybe in a coming Jetson product that maybe has longer range or maybe has space for more people. But that absolutely is one of the stepping stones along the way towards realizing our long-term goal, which is making everyone a pilot.